guys, welcome back to my channel this afternoon. I've just got a little review and packing video for y'all today on the Lily Jade Cailin in navy. I received this bag yesterday and I did do an unboxing that I will link above and below for you guys to check out. I packed it up today to take out with me with my two girls who are 4.5, almost 5, and 2, as well as my husband and I. We just went out for our normal Saturday shopping and lots of errands that we had to run around and do. So I did wear this bag with the tote straps as well as backpack style, and it was very comfortable. I'm really enjoying the nylon fabric and how light it is compared to if it was all leather, but I do really love these leather accents. I just think it really adds class to the bag. It's the 2.0, so it does have the khaki lining and it comes with a change pad and insert. The way I have it packed up today is with a Amazon insert that I have that's like a medium size. I will put the link down below for you guys to check that out because it's an awesome little insert. It goes in so many bags. And I also have used, of course, a Lily Jade packing case and a few Jujube packing accessories as well. So I'll go over the features real quick as I'm doing the unpacking so then you guys can kind of get an idea of what is involved with the Cailin. So you do have the leather accent down here as the piping, which is really pretty, and the leather pocket part right here that has the crisscross kind of weaved stitching. My husband actually commented on this. He really likes the navy nylon with the navy leather. I think they've matched it up lovely. You've also got the gold hardware on the nameplate, the zipper pulls, the D-rings up here, the tassel that comes on every Lily Jade bag. This particular bag is an outlet bag, so it doesn't have feet, but on the bottom you do have the leather panel on the bottom here. It didn't bother me that it didn't have feet because honestly I try not to put my bags down anyway. I'm just really fussy that way, but everything else about this bag is really, really lovely. So in the front pocket here, it is quite a roomy pocket, and I just have my Lily Jade brandy wallet. I've been using this today too, and I just love it. I conditioned it as well, and it just smells and feels great. So this is a really, really nice wallet. I will do a separate video on this one. Now, I want to say that when I did get this bag last night, I conditioned and water stopped the entire bag. I didn't condition the nylon obviously, but I did do all the leather parts, and then I water stopped sprayed everything including the nylon. And it is okay to do that if you do have a spray that says it is fine for suede, leather, nylon, all that jazz. So don't worry about leaving marks. As you can see, it didn't leave any marks on the nylon. But of course, check the product before you use it. But I just want to let you go that guys know that it is possible to water stop the nylon if that's what you want to do, just to kind of avoid marks and water and stuff getting onto the bag. You do have bottle pockets on either side, and these are very roomy bottle pockets. Now what I did find is when I put a bottle in here, it does take up room inside of the bag. So I chose not to do that because I like to have my bags a little bit more roomy on the inside. But just be aware, if you do use it for bottles, that's what's going to happen because there isn't any elastic or anything on the side. It's just, I mean, it's roomy, don't get me wrong, but if you put something in there, it will push in. So on this side, I have my keys, and I do have this leather little cover thing on my keys. We got a new car recently, so this was one of the kind of little gifts that they gave us when we got the car. So I am curious to see how that's going to go in my bags, but it does go in there quite easily. In the other bottle pocket, I have my mini wipe pouch with my antibacterial wipes in there. And I also have my iPhone 10 that I popped in here. And here's the back side of the bag here. And I have it in backpack mode with the messenger strap. This is a leather messenger strap with gold metal hardware, which is really nice. And it is very, very comfortable on my back. I'll pop some pictures up so you guys can have a look too how it looks. I'm 5'9", and it fit me really, really nicely. Now this pocket on the back here isn't very large, I noticed, and it's a nylon zipper, so it's something to note. If you have other Lily Jade bags, this zipper is usually metal, but I'm guessing because it's the nylon bag, it's the nylon zipper. So I couldn't fit much in here. I thought about putting my phone back here, but what I ended up putting back here instead is my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick, lip gloss, and lip crayon. And this is about, I mean, it goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag, but as you can see, it's about the width maybe from my wrist to my ring finger. So it's not the largest, the longest pocket in the world, but it does the job. So we're just going to go into the center of the bag now so you can see how I have that packed up. Okay, so going into the center of the bag here. Now, the zipper starts a little bit in from the edge here. That's just something to be aware of that I've noticed. You know me, I notice all these little things, and I like to let you all know. The zipper is a metal zipper and it is really nice. It does open up quite easily, especially when you get used to how it curves. So when you zip it, you don't want to try to zip straight across because it just won't do it very well. So you do have to kind of go down and up. It's another little thing I did notice. And it opens up quite wide. I kind of wish that this zipper was a little longer. If it was a little longer, you could easily get into, like, these bits would open up more on that side, if that makes any sense. But as it is, it works quite well. So that's how I have it packed inside here. I do have 2 drink bottles in there and some nappy and diaper items and the insert in the middle with all the other things that I bring. So I will start at the back zipper here. Again, another nylon zipper, not metal like in all the other bags. And I did notice you don't have your key fob as well, like most of the other Lily Jade bags have. So that's something that I just noticed now, actually. But you do have the leather trim on the zipper and the little leather name tag in here. Now in these back pockets, I always keep my Tokidoki coin purse with hair, brush and stuff in there because I do have 2 girls and myself with hair that needs to be brushed often. On the front pockets here, which are the same on every Lily Jade bag, on this side I just have my small set piece with my med kit, mommy needs and things like that. And I will actually show you what's in here because I have figured out a way to use this for child medical stuff, adult medical stuff, and just a few things for myself. So just in case you're new to my channel, and I haven't done this in a while, so I will show you what I have in here. I just have a little olive oil hand cream that is really good for dry skin. I just have some Nurofen for myself, which is the same as Advil in the States. I think they have Advil in the States. I also have some Strepsil lozenges and some. Now this is child chewable Panadol from 3 years and up. So most of my kids are getting to that age now. I also have some chewable Nurofen, ibuprofen, and then have some Band-Aids in here as well. Some alcohol wipes, which is good for wiping up scrapes. Some lens wipes for my phone, sunglasses and such. Some floss, a bag hook, and some lip balm, and a little pair of scissors down the bottom too for cutting nails or getting into packaging and things like that. So that's what I keep in my small set piece that comes everywhere with me in every bag. I also have a organic hand sanitizer that is really, really lovely. And then in this other pocket here, little tiny pocket, I just have a packet of mints. These are my bribery things for my girls. They love these chewable mints. So just turn the bag back around. You guys can see in the inside here. So on this side, I just have 1 Fontainer. These are thermos drink bottles and they're fantastic. Keep the drinks cold really a long time. And the other side I have another Fontainer. That kind of evens the weight of the bag out. Now the rest of the things are in the center here. I have my Lily Jade medium packing case at the back, and this just has 2 size 5 nappies, 1 diapers, a little coin purse from Hello Kitty and Jujubee with disposable baggies and a wet bag inside, and a light change pad, and that's just what I bring for my 2-year-old. The rest of the things are in the little insert, and I'll just show you how it looks in the bag. It does add a bit of structure to the bottom of the bag, which is nice. So I'll just pop that out real quick and you can see what's inside. But first of all, that is the Cailin Empty. It is a very roomy, nice, easy accessible bag. This is my little Amazon insert. There are 2 bigger pockets here, and you've got some little mesh pockets as well. I just don't have anything in those, but in this one I have a small Be Organized with some Tegu blocks. For entertainment, I have a little Hello Kitty beanie bib pouch with a really tiny boogie board, writing boogie board in there. On the other side, similar organization, 2 are bigger mesh pockets and 2 larger material pockets, and so I just have a little packet of travel tissues. And then in the zip pocket here I have my Y pouch 30, and then in the center section I have another LCD writing board from Amazon that I'll put the link down below as well. and a medium set piece with just some snacks inside. These are just yummy pouches that I will put link as well because these are fantastic. I've had these for over a year now. I just pop them in the washing machine and they come out great. And that's it. So that's the little insert empty. You can clip it on the sides here as well for storage or just to make it smaller if you didn't need all that room. You like that? So you can actually make it a little smaller for smaller bags. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, just showing you guys how I figured out to pack up my Cailin, and I really do love this bag. I don't think I'm going to miss the Megan as much as I thought I was because this is a really nice kind of replacement for her. So if you have any questions or comments, please pop them in the description box below. And if you like this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing if you haven't already done so. And I hope to see you for my next video. Thanks guys. Bye.